A muster station is a designated area on a ship where crew and passengers gather during emergencies to receive safety instructions. Emergency procedures. 1. Fire alarm. The crew gathers to locate and extinguish the fire. 2. General alarm. 7 short and 1 long blast signals for everyone to report the muster stations. Abandon ship alarm. 6 short and 1 blast instruct everyone to prepare life jackets and evacuate. Man overboard signal. 3 long blasts triggered rescue procedures for a person overboard. CO2 alarm. Evacuate the area before CO2 is released to suffocate the fire. Engineer's call. An urgent call for engineers to attend the machinery problems. Cargo hold flooding. Seal affected areas, use pumps and inform authorities about flooding. Pollution prevention. Monitor waste discharge and prevent spills to protect the environment. Engine room flooding. Detect the source, stop the leak, pump out water and evacuate if necessary. Importance of training and drills. Training and drills ensure crew and passengers can respond effectively in emergencies, reducing panic and improving coordination, while helping to identify weaknesses in safety procedures and meeting international regulations.